Gorgeous maintenance-free villa with wonderful lake and preserve views in Stoneybrook Golf Community with no mandatory golf fees. Immaculately maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa boasts an open floor plan with family room and great room areas plus large kitchen and dining area. Ceramic tile floors in all living areas. Gourmet kitchen with 42 inches white cabinets, extended breakfast bar, pantry, dining area and newer, less than 3 years, stainless steel appliances. Large master bedroom suite offers walk-in closet, dual sinks, new toilets and lighting and tiled shower. Desirable split bedroom plan has generous guest bedroom with large closet. Upgrades include new blinds, 4 years hot water heater, new interior and exterior paint. Enjoy nature from your lanai and all the Florida lifestyle has to offer at Stoneybrook, including an 18-hole golf course with clubhouse and restaurant, 2 heated community pools and spa, tennis and pickleball, 24-hour fitness center, recreation center with a full calendar of activities, volleyball, shuffleboard, bocce ball, cornhole, basketball, as well as a fishing pier, picnic area, dog park, and playground. Fabulous location by I-75, for an easy commute, close to 3 airports, new Costco, Lakewood Ranch Main Street, UTC Mall and of course the sparkling Gulf beaches at Anna Maria and Siesta Key.